Here is another simultaneous equation, and I'm going to be using the elimination method to solve this. So this is what I want to do. I want to eliminate x. So what I will do is that I'll multiply this equation 1 by 2 and multiply this one by 4. So we'll have 2 times 4 is 8x minus 2 times y is 2y is equal to 2 times 7, 14. Then here 4 times 2 is 8x, so that they will be the same. Okay? Then I have 4 times 3 is 12y is equal to 4 times 11, 44. Right? So now I want to eliminate. I want to eliminate x. 8x minus 8x will give me 0. Then I have minus plus. This is minus times plus. This is what this means. Minus times minus will give me plus times plus. Plus times plus will give me plus. Okay? So I will now say 2 plus 12, 14y. So is equal to 14 minus 44. I will have, let's say 44 minus 14. I have 0, 3. But remember, we said 14 minus 44. So it will be minus 30, not 30. So our divide by the coefficient of, divide both sides by the coefficient of y, we have y is equal to minus 30 divided by 14 will give us minus 30 over 14. Let's stop at this. We would have converted to mixed fraction. Oh, sorry, yeah. But we would have converted it to mixed fraction because when we divide this by this, we will get 2 whole number, 2 over 14. But since we are going to be reconverting back that mixed fraction back to improper fraction, we leave it at improper fraction. So what we do now is that we substitute minus 30, we substitute y is equal to minus 30 over 14 in equation 1. We can actually use any equation, but let's use equation 1. So let's write down our equation 1 back again. So we have 4x minus y is equal to 7, right? So wherever we see y, we put what? Minus 30, right? But then this is 4x minus, this is the minus. Then minus 30 over 14 is equal to 7. We are solving for x. So we have 4x minus times minus will give us what? Plus 30 over 14, which is equal to 7. So what we do now is that we say 4x is equal to, this is 7. This one will cross here to change to minus. So we have minus 30 over 14. While 4x is equal to, I will look for the LCM of, this is a fraction, make here a fraction 2. Look for LCM of 14 and 1, which is 14. 14 divided by 1 is what? 14. Then 14 times 7 will give us 98. Then minus 14 divided by 14 is 1 times 30 is 30. So we have 4x is equal to 98 minus 30 will give us 68 over 14. If we divide further, we still get a fraction or a decimal. So what we'll simply do is say, divide by the coefficient of, divide both sides by the coefficient of 4, of x rather. So you say 4x divided by 4 will give us what? X equal to 68 over 14 divided by 4. Or let's 4x divided by 4. So that you understand what I mean by that. 4 we divide 4, we have what? X. And this. This is also a fraction. But in order to solve further, we need to convert this to, change this to multiplication. So we have 68 over 14 multiplied by 1 over 4. So we have x is equal to 4 here 1, 4 in 68, that is 4 in 6 is 1, remainder 2. 20, that is 28. 28 divided by 4 is 7. So we have 17 times 1, 17 over 14. If you divide further, you get a mixed fraction, which is one whole number 3 over 14, or one whole number 3 over 14. But then I would prefer we leave it here, 14 over 17 over 14. Then we want to check if what we did is correct. Remember that our y is equal to 30 minus 30 over 14. So for us to check, let's use equation 1 to check. We have 4x. So we have 4x minus y is equal to 7. So wherever we see x, we put, we use 17 over 14. Then minus, whenever we see y, we say is minus 30 over 14. Then equal to 7. Remember, our y is equal to minus 30 over 14. So let's write it down. So we have 4 times 17, 68 over 14. Minus times minus is plus, so we have plus 30 over 14. Now, equal to 7. Now, remember we're checking. We're still checking. We want to check if what we got as the answers is correct. Okay? And for us to be correct, what is at the left-hand side must be equal to what is at the right-hand side. Right? So that means here we must get 7. At the left-hand side, we must get 7 because the right-hand side is 7. So now, we'll look for the LCM of 14 and 14, which is 14. 14 divided by 14 is what? 1. 1 times 68, 68. Plus 14 divided by 14 is 1. 1 times 30 is 30, is equal to 7. Right? So we have 68 minus 30 is what? 38 over 14 equal to 7. So now, sorry, mistake. 58 plus 30 is 98 rather. 98. So now let's check 98 divided by 14 is 7. So 98 divided by 14 is equal to 7. So you can see 7 is equal to 7. That is to show that what we have solved is very, very correct. And this is correct. So I believe you understand it. If you do understand it, kindly help me share. Bye.